Welcome back to Web Education, and in today's video, I'll be showing you a new feature in Canva that enables you to make wavy letters. Yes, I mean wavy letters. The first step is to head over to this bar right here and then click on Apps. After clicking on Apps, just come and click on Search Canva Apps and type in Type. Okay, just type in Typecraft, alright? Like that. After you type in Typecraft, just click Enter on your keyboard. Just click Enter. After clicking Enter, you will see this app right here. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, just come and click on Open. Okay. After clicking on Open, just give the app a moment to open up. As you can see, it has been added to our bar. Alright. Beneath the type extrude, which I showed in the previous video how to use it. Alright, now this is where you make your text wavy. So this is my I can change the text and write U. Okay, I can write U. Then I can change the font to any specific. I can select this one. All right. After you select a font, just come and click on back right here. And then you can come and select the mirror point. So if you want your letter to have no mirror or to have an horizontal mirror or vertical mirror, just come and choose right here. Okay. So let me select a vertical mirror. And then you can come now and change. All right. As you can see, you can change how you want the letter to look. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So let me come here and reset and edit the shape. So as you can see, you can play around with the shape. Okay, if you want the shape to be this way, you can come and choose that way. Okay, just come and tweak these points right here until you feel satisfied with how the shape will look. Okay, so you just come and left click on one of the points right here. After you left click, just hold on your left click and then just start moving the shape around. And that is how you easily and efficiently change the shape or make your letters wavy, as you can see. So you can come and change like that. And let's say like that. Okay, like this also. Make sure you don't release when you left click, make sure you don't release so that the shape will continue moving as you continue moving it around. Okay. And when you're done and satisfied, just come and click on Add Element to Design. Just come and click on it. After you click on it, it will be added to your canvas. So you cannot modify these letters when it is on the canvas page. You must modify it on this section right here. Okay. When you want to modify it, just come and modify it and then click Update Element. Let's say you modify it again. Just come and click on modify or on update element, sorry, and it will be updated. As you can see, it has been updated. So don't worry, and you're thinking why can I not update it when it is on the canvas page? Just come right here and then update it right here. Okay, when you update it right here, just click on update element and it will be changed. Okay, and that is how you easily and efficiently change or make your letters wavy in Canva. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.